Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram message unsend option not showing problem. Okay, let's start. First of all, click on Instagram apps. Now tap on message. See, this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Scroll down, now search your Instagram apps. Now tap on storage and clear cache and clear data. Now tap on permission. Now enable all permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Search bar, now search your Instagram apps. Now tap on update. After that, now go back your home screen. Now restart your device, then go to your Instagram. I hope your problem is solved. Thank you.